Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
So we're going on another culinary adventure today. The last time we went to a Korean barbecue.
It was a few weeks ago.
It was. And so today we're out venturing. We're going to go to, where are we going? KPOT It's KPOT Korean BBQ and Hotpot. We're going to do the Hotpot version today as well as the Korean barbecue.
We did barbecue last time, but now we're going to try something newer.
We're going to add that to it. So y'all come along, go with us.
Come on.
Come over here and cutlery right here. You can need some knife, spoon, and fork as well. And next right here for this section area is probably for the barbecue grill section only. So we only prefer to do some beef right there, like a marinade beef, chicken stuff right here. But actually we do cover some item first because it's supposed to be like a dinner item. So right now it's at lunchtime, so we do this lunch selection beef.
Sounds
Then
good.
we also have some chicken stuff right there, beef section right here, and then we also provided some large plates underneath the bar, so you can use the large plate for your raw ingredients. We also have some spicy calamari, and then we also have some side of the veggies too. But you can read carefully if they say barbecue only, so you're good with your grills. But if they say potato without mention anything, so you can do it both, either barbecue or hot pot. And if they say hot pot only, so just for the soup. And then next right here.
So it will tell you barbecue only, so you put it on the grill, or hot pot only, so you put it in the liquid.
And then right here for the seafood stuff, it's a mostly for the hot pot only, like you say, but you can also grill it for the seafood without shell. It's fine. We also have some butter as well, so we also provide you some butter if you want to apply some butter first before you're doing grill, also maybe kind of oil. We also provide some vegetable oil, olive oil, and sesame oil too. And we also provide you some seasoning. And right here is our sauces bar, so you can make your own dipping sauce as well. Sauce cup underneath the bar. And next behind me right here is the hot pot section, like the barbecue side. So this mostly belongs for the hot pot soup, but you can also grill it if you want it. If you need like some marinade meat over there, so you can try this unmarinade too, and you can make some dipping sauce. It's been really good. Okay, and next right there, we also have some seafood bowls, kind of dumplings. This is totally mostly belong for your hot pot soup. Okay, and then next over there, we also provide you some like cold soup right here, like the white finger soup. It's been really good for your dessert. Then we also provide you some cooked appetizers right here, like chicken wings, french fries, vegetable spring roll, cheese stick, and chicken nugget as well. And we also provide you some small plates underneath the bar. And then right here. Yeah, and then we also have some ramen noodles right here. This belongs for your hot pot soup. It's been really good. Then we also have some cake for your dessert, fruits, edamame, chili salad, radish, kimchi, and then we also have some another side of the hot pot, the veggies, and then we also have some another option for your noodles, like rice noodles right here, four noodles over there, And we also have some udon if you need like some ramen choices. And then right there at the last part, we also have some ice cream for your dessert time. Okay.
Thanks so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
And your name again is?
Ray.
Ray. He said what his name was.
Yeah, Ray.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, but I wasn't going to try to say what he originally said. His name's Ray.
Okay.
Ray. Thank you. Okay, so this is a little different than what we've done the last time. The last time they brought it out to you. This time they have it all out, which is better because I like that, so I can see what I'm getting.
Visualize what you get.
Yeah, and don't always have to get as much as they bring you, so that'll give us a chance to try some other things. So in the video, you'll see that it's got the hot pot choice and the barbecue choice. So we had to pay for both of those. It doesn't come with it. Still a really good deal. I'll show the prices and everything. But we're gonna go get something to eat and see what we can get into. Okay, so while we were up there looking at our choices and everything, they brought our soup base out. Now this is the hot pot soup base, which these are an induction cooker, and we have our soup base here. We'll go around while they're still coming back. This is the mushroom soup base. Darlene got the healthy herb soup base. Daniel got the miso soup base. So we're going to go get our other things to go in this.
Yep.
He says that's another. Which one?
And that was the peanut sauce.
All right. Can you tell me again which one?
For here, that was the KPOT sauce with the hot chili oil. Okay. Because KPOT sauce is like my favorite for any sauce. And then I give you some peanut sauce with the sweet and chili sauce, and I put some peanut sauce as well with a little bit hot water because he barely eats the spicy. Right. So I understand it. Okay. So I hope you all like it.
Absolutely. has already been cooked, so I'm not worried about it being raw.
There.
So as you can see, the only reason I put mine on the grill was to get that hardness to it, that extra finish on it.
I got ranch on the
Just
Ray.
what's that?
Ray. You need Ray. You need X-ray. What do I want to do next? I think this is lamb.
I think so.
I can't remember if I put it in a hot pot. I think I put it in a hot pot.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to be 60 to 90 seconds. Like it? 2.
Okay, man.
I'll go ahead.
Is everything be good?
That's why. Yep. I appreciate that.
I don't know, you might dumplings out.
Did you make this or did you?
I did. Which I may not know for sure. There are some bell peppers on the grill.
Sesame oil?
Sesame oil, peanut sauce, cilantro, garlic.
Ready. Got that brownness to it. Just let me know when y'all need the raw meat on. Trying to think of a short I can do.
Then I should do one is just plain chicken and one is garlic chicken.
So I had to ask you, are you gonna cook all your meat that you have, your raw meat that you have, and then put your noodles in,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll go back up there and do the same thing?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what's gonna make it here. 12.
I'm sure somebody will come in and ask, hey, go ahead and put this on the grill.
That KPOT hot sauce, that KPOT sauce is really good. The one that's closest to you, you're really gonna like.
That's where the citrus come in handy, I guess.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, we're done with this.
It's an amazing experience.
It is. We're going to
Very
go
good.
back and we're going to compare the other one and this one. They're both Korean barbecue. We did both of them here. We did the hot pot and the
So,
barbecue.
Doing the hot pot and barbecue, which one would you say you like the most?
Yeah, I like the barbecue. It was good. The hot pot wasn't bad. The noodles were an issue with me, but it's not their fault. It's my fault. I picked udon noodles.
They're thicker.
Yeah,
So,
and they would have been better at like a stir fry noodle. They both had ramen, and the ramen noodle was actually better than the udon noodles. But overall, I love it. It's an experience.
It's an
too.
incredible experience as well. Can't blame them for how bad your food tastes because you cook it.
You cook it. So we're gonna do a brief video later. Our first video that we did for the HQ barbecue, we'll put a link somewhere. Yeah.
One of these corners, whichever one. I forgot which corner
So
it was.
go back and watch that one, and then watch this one because it was a little different. This part of it, the Korean barbecue, was basically the same. You get into different flavors and everything.
Which one was your favorite meat to try?
That was the garlic chicken.
I really like the garlic chicken. Yeah.
I like the garlic pork belly.
Garlic. Yeah.
I like the garlic pork belly.
They had
It's really good.
They had a smoked pork belly, and it was okay. You know, where we are, we smoked everything, so you couldn't really taste the smoke. The best thing overall is they have a KPOT sauce
Oh man, it's so good.
that was. It was actually, they
Delicious.
just found out from the manager, it's their signature sauce. I know why.
It's the
It
best.
is amazing. I mixed mine with peanut sauce, made an incredible dip.
Ray, our server, recommended that you mix it with the K-pot sauce, peanut sauce, and hot sauce. Incredible.
That's a hot oil.
Hot oil?
Yeah, it's a hot
is
oil.
that-
No, thank you.
But enjoyed the experience.
It was good.
That's good.
If you have one near you, go give it a shot. K-Pots, this is the second one I've been to. It was different than this one. Neither one of them was bad. We will be back. We got to come back in November. I don't know that we'll come back to here, but we will do a series ending.
A culinary series.
Yeah, we're going to do a comparison video later once this one's out and all that. So everything you need, the servers walk you through it. You have a guide that tells you how to cook everything.
Just so that you can understand how it all works.
It's really neat. You got to give it a shot.
You really do get it a shot.
So what was your favorite?
The garlic pork belly.
Garlic pork belly. That's
Garlic pork
right.
belly.
Garlic chicken and noodles.
She's a little under the weather. She's developing a cold, so we're not being mean, not letting her talk. She sounds like a frog. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up here. If you like what you see,
Let us know.
you be sure and let us know. If you want to,
Like and
click them. Yeah, somewhere. It'll be somewhere.
Somewhere.
We'll see y'all on the next adventure.
See
Let's see what our next adventure is.